In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can join systeme.io affiliate program very easy way. So without any more time wastage, let's get started. First, I'm going to systeme.io. This link I will attach in the description below. When you click, you are redirected to this website. First, you need to scroll down. Then, why choose systeme.io affiliate program? Systeme.io aims to give every person in the world the opportunity to build an online filming. Feedback we got over the again is that our tools powerful yet simple to use. So scroll down, then you will see become an affiliate. Just click on become an affiliate. Now you need to put your Gmail. I put my personal Gmail. Then you can type your personal or business Gmail. This does not matter. Then welcome to on board. You are about to receive your affiliate link by email. So I want to check my email box because this systeme.io company sent me an email on my email section. Now I need to check here. So I'm first of all going to my Gmail. Then you can see I got new email. I need to confirm here. So click on confirmation mail. When I click confirmation mail, then I redirect on my website. Now I need to select and set and password. So type. Okay, my password are successfully setting done. So now you can see this is my dashboard. So I want to click on my affiliate dashboard. When I click affiliate dashboard, and you can see all our settings and strategies I see on my front in my on my PC. So how to promote this product? So first of all, you can see this is a link you can share on your audience. Just copy, then share anywhere. So if you want more video, just type up, please comment below. If you have found this video helpful, please like and subscribe this channel. See you again, take care, goodbye.